Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Sea Ray SLX. This boat is in great condition. It is a 25-foot boat. As you can see here, it's got a automated drop-down swim platform. Nice speakers here in the back, Rockford Fosgate. It's got a wash down, a radio control, a nice lounging seat here in the back. Coming inside the boat is a nice wraparound seat bench. This seat can flip aft facing. As you can see, lots of spacious room. Does have a table mount. This boat does have a head. Got the cover in there currently. Nice spacious bow. And then a touch screen here at the helm. Nice volume on your radio. All your buttons. Again, this is the SLX offered by Sea Ray. It's a 2017. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check us out.